Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 3 National Unity. Get connected. Self-awareness. As a nation, India is a country of 1.3 billion people. These people belong to different states, their languages are different, their culture and traditions might differ, and also the food and dress changes from east to west and north to south. But the common thread that binds everybody is the fact that everyone is a proud Indian. Knowledge acquisition. India unity in diversity. It is said that when the British came to rule India, they were stunned at the variety of everything available here. The temperatures differed, from beautifully moderate and cold in Kashmir to boiling hot in the Rann of Kutch. The clothing differed from saris to shalwars and lungis to dhoti. The food was greatly different. Dosas to noodles to meats, they had it all in just one country. This vibrancy and variety of Indians was really a novelty for the foreigners. Even now, we see many foreign tourists visit India. They love the colorful atmosphere here. It's a treat for them to see such festivals and such traditions. Nearly every month of the year, there is a festival to celebrate. In India, every festival has a different name in the corresponding state. However, what is common is the excitement of the people around and the yummy food that is cooked. The songs and dances of our country are famous all over. Festival. Description. Makar Sankranti, Uttarayan Pradesh. In Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Andhra, this is a festival of kites. Lohri, Pongal, Bihu, Onam. The harvest festival, which is known by many names. It commemorates the farmers' happiness and thankfulness for a good harvest. Diwali. Celebrated all over India with great pomp and splendor. It is also called the Festival of Lights. Navratris, Durga Puja. 9 days of prayers, sweets and food. This festival is celebrated in Gujarat with their traditional dance called Garba. In Bengal and the rest of eastern India, Durga Puja is celebrated with a lot of gaiety. Ramzan Eid. A festival that spans all of India, Ramzan Eid is celebrated with much joy, great food and meeting with family after the holy month of Ramzan. These are just a few festivals among the many that Indians celebrate. The message of all festivals is the same: sharing, celebrating the joy of giving, and brotherhood. In India, there is also a variety of languages spoken. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. There are 22 official languages and a number of other dialects. There are around 900 languages spoken in the country. India is home to the largest number of newspaper and magazine circulations in multiple languages as well. There is also a lot of variety of food habits in India. Kashmir has a traditional meal called the Vajava, which is a multi-dish meal. The tradition continues with every state having its own local flavors and specialities right up to Kerala, which is famous for its sadhyat served on a banana leaf. Despite all these differences, Indians are united as one. They celebrate all festivals as one family. Neighbors who belong to different communities celebrate festivals with the spirit of brotherhood. This is the beauty of India. Once Abdul Kalam was asked to light a lamp. He took a candle and lit the lamp and said, "I am a Muslim. I lit a Hindu's lamp using a Christian's candle." This is a great example of how the leaders in India have also kept the unity in the nation strong.
Like, share and subscribe.